Starting your business to be able to do what you want to do when you want to do it and live life on your terms, I got to tell you, babes, it's not going to work. So I'm sharing with you 8 mindset hacks that 6, 7, and 8 figure entrepreneurs know that unsuccessful entrepreneurs don't know yet. These are the very same mind hacks that I used to go from $300 in my bank account to earning over $100,000 in just 4 months. When I didn't use these mindset hacks, it caused me to take the entire year to earn 6 figures. Would you rather earn 6 figures in 4 months or 12 months? I know most of y'all are going to say, I don't care as long as I earn it. But how many of you know that it is easier to earn more money in less time than it is to earn more money in more time? Now, in this video, you're going to learn 3 things. Number one, you're going to learn the 8 mindset hacks that you must make in order to go from broke to boss up. You can implement right now. You're going to learn how to go from uninspired and burnt out to ease and seeing momentum. Lastly, you're going to learn the mistakes that amateur entrepreneurs make that you must avoid in order to start seeing success in your business. So let's go. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you want to do? She just said, can you play that again? Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do it. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's talk. Going back to when I stated that becoming an entrepreneur does not mean that you get to do what you want to do, because most people who just have started out in entrepreneurship or aren't seeing the success that they want to see, they aren't seeing it because they are under this misconception that it's going to give them this time freedom and they're going to get to be able to do whatever it is that they want to do. And they're going to get to but I'm here to let you know that that is completely false. And the truth of the matter is that the most successful entrepreneurs have schedules that are so strict that even the president can't even just get squozen into their schedule. And so that's what I'm here to talk about. I'm going to share with you 8 mindset hacks that successful entrepreneurs had to master in order to be able to get to where it is that they are today. But honestly, this is not in any particular order, but one of the things that successful entrepreneurs have mastered as far as mindset is that becoming an entrepreneur does not mean that you get to do what you want to do with your time when you want to do it with your time. So I read somewhere, or either I heard somebody say it, they said that any successful person knows exactly what they were doing last year on this exact same day at this exact same time. And the reason is because they have a schedule. They can go back and look in their calendar from last year and they can tell you exactly what they were doing on this day at this time. Can you? I didn't think so, because you probably wouldn't be watching me right now if you were, unless you got me penciled into your schedule. So as a matter of fact, while we're on it, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and pencil watching the Kiera Sade YouTube every Thursday. You should be scheduling every single thing, and this even includes said eggs. Let your man know, baby, that's not on the schedule right now. You can't just be dropping nothing off in the middle of my day because I have things that I have to do. I'm telling you, you guys, this question was asked inside of a mentorship. I am in a mastermind that cost me $24,000 a year to be a part of. And one of the 6-figure earners asked the 7-figure earners to drop their schedules inside of our private Facebook group. And when I tell you, like, the 7 and 8-figure earners are productive as fuck, okay? I was like, oh, baby, what am I doing here? Like, what am I doing here? I ain't did nothing. They starting at 5 a.m. Now, I'm not saying that you have to start at 5 a.m., okay? Because if you don't go to bed until 2 a.m., it's not reasonable for you to start at 5 a.m. And that's why that was one of the questions that I asked. I said, well, what time do you go to bed? One of them said she goes to bed around 7 to 8 p.m. She said she is knocked out by 9 p.m. I'm just getting started at 7, 8, 9 p.m. So obviously, I got some things to do. But you want to create a schedule that's catered around your lifestyle, because she's a full-time 8-figure earner. She doesn't have a job. You may have a job. So you may not be able to just go to bed at 9 p.m., especially if you're building your business as well. But if you are specifically and solely working for yourself, sweetheart, get it together, okay? Get it together. Get it together. And I'm talking to me, I'm the sweetheart. The second thing that successful entrepreneurs have mastered and know that unsuccessful entrepreneurs don't know is that they understand that habits are what create your life. So if you have a habit of not showing up, if you have a habit of being inconsistent, if you have a habit of over promising and under delivering, if you have a habit of ghosting your clients, if you have a habit of putting out trash, those habits are literally creating your life, and or in this instance, your business. Your business is a reflection of the habits that you have accumulated in those habits that you sit up there and you partake in every single day. So change your habits, change your life. Change your habits, change your business. If you're not consistent, figure out a way how to be more consistent. If you guys want a video on that, let me know. I got you. If you want a better quality of client, then put out a better quality of product. You can't sell Alibaba to someone who likes to be dripped in Chanel and Gucci. She's not going to, you have Alibaba quality and you're asking for Gucci and Chanel funds. Make it make sense. It doesn't. So you're going to have to put out better quality. And the same for my digital product girlies. You can't put out trash. Like, oh, these, I'm not going to go there with y'all today. But y'all know what y'all be putting out, okay? Y'all be buying PLR, MRR, don't go through it. It be trash and y'all be trying to resell it. And then you wonder why your business is on womp womp, okay? So change your habits, change your business. So the third thing is your current business is a reflection of your daily subconscious thoughts. Your current business, the one that you see right now, however much you've earned, however consistent or inconsistent sales are, however stressful or unstressful your business, however organized or unorganized your business is a reflection of your daily subconscious thoughts. Meaning, if your business is earning, let's say, $100 a month, maybe, or $0 months, it is because deep down inside in your subconscious, you only believe that that is what you're worth. You keep telling yourself that every single day. And therefore, that is what you're showing up as. You're showing up as a zero-figure entrepreneur. You're very inconsistent. Why? Because deep down in your subconscious thoughts, which controls 95% of your life, deep down in your subconscious thoughts, you believe that you only deserve 0 figures from your business. So you're being very inconsistent. You're putting out trash. You don't believe in yourself. You're busy scrolling and doom scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling for hours instead of becoming a creator. You're a consumer. Creators understand the impacts of their message. So they spend more time creating than they do consuming. And if you're going to consume, let it be something nutritious. Stop spending all your time on Shade Room and watching cat fights and dog fights and everything that is not conducive to your forward movement. And the movement doesn't have to be fast. You just need to be moving forward. Work on your mindset. How do you work on your mindset? You're going to write yourself daily affirmations. You're going to show up as the person who already has, because you're going to keep telling yourself you're a 6-figure earner. You're a 7-figure earner. You make sales every day. You make sales in your sleep. People want to work with you. People are fighting to work with you. People are waiting to work with you. Somebody is saving up right now to work with you to be able to afford your luxury prices. The same way people save up for a Chanel bag or a home or their dream car. They are saving up to work with their dream coach. So you have to keep showing up. You have to tell yourself that over and 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 over again until it is embedded deeply into your subconscious to the point that you don't even have to tell people that this is what you believe. You just start showing up and they feel it in their aura that this is what you believe. The fourth mindset hack that the successful have mastered that the unsuccessful have not is that the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. If you are being the most unfit employee, Like, you go to work, you always got an attitude, you always late, you don't show up looking your best. We all got a coworker that's like that. Then, honey, best believe that's the same way you showing up in your business. If you are not being a good mom, a good spouse, a good friend, then best believe you are probably a shitty entrepreneur or business owner. The way you do one thing is the way you do every single thing. So if you are unorganized, you are not scheduling your life, you are not scheduling things to do in your business, you are half-assing, that is how you're going to show up in your business, because the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. So I challenge you to operate in excellence in everything that you do so that it carries over into every single aspect of your life. Fifth mindset hack is that the way you treat someone else's business is the way people are going to treat your business. Some of us think that it is okay to try and skimp and steal from our jobs. And I know you're sitting there like, Kiera, I don't steal from my job. But when you took that roll of toilet paper, that was stealing from your job. When you took that pack of paper, that was stealing from your job. When you took that lunch, that was stealing from your job. When you sit on the clock and you milk the clock, or you lie about what time you came in, or you lie about how many hours you worked, that is stealing from a business. And it does not matter that they're a multi-million-dollar or multi-billion-dollar business. It just matters that they're a business and you're a business too. And so whatever you put out is also what you will reap. You cannot reap any seed from a plant that you did not plant. Like, you can't plant orange seeds and expect to get bananas from it. I need you guys to understand this. This is another mindset hack that successful entrepreneurs have mastered that unsuccessful have not. You cannot reap that of a fruit. You cannot reap the fruit of a tree from a seed that you did not plant. This doesn't work. It's law. It is literal law. If you plant a banana seed, a banana tree is what you'll get. You will not get carrots. You will not get apples. You will only get bananas. So what you plant is what you will reap. What are you planting? What are you putting out into the atmosphere? Are you planting quality? Are you planting dependability? Are you planting excellence? Or are you planting inconsistency? Are you planting doubt? Are you planting fear? Are you planting mediocrity and expecting to get the fruit of a tree that breeds excellence? Number 6, your kids don't want your business, so stop building it for them. I know I hurt somebody with that, but let's be for real. Your children don't care about your business. This is not their passion. This is not what they're interested in. And it may not even be a skill or talent that they are remotely even good in. Your kids want the fruit of the business. They want what the business provides, which is money, a little bit more time, the inspiration, the assets, the foundation. Build your business not for your children, but for you and what it can provide for your children. Give them the blueprint to being able to build and start their very own business, not trying to build this business to force it down their throats. They don't give two shits about your business. That's just like people who, if I were to become a doctor, yeah, maybe I would want my daughters to become a doctor too, but that doesn't mean that that is what she's going to do. That doesn't mean that is the path that she's going to take. For some people, yes, that is the path that they take. They go down the path of their parents. But for most people, they go their own way because they're different. Will they learn to study the way that their parents did because their parents were doctors? Yes. But now they can take those skills and become something else. Something that they'll enjoy doing. So stop building your business for your children and start building it for yourself. And you'll see different results when your children aren't supporting you or they don't understand why you're on live or why you got to do the content right now or why you got to do this or why you got to do that. They probably will never understand. But one thing that children do understand is money. Everybody understands money, baby. Now we've gone through a lot. Number 7, it's going to hurt some of y'all's feelings because number 7 is your friends aren't your clients and they are not who are going to make you rich. And I'm going to add family as well. Your friends and family are not your customers, they're not your clients, and they are not who's going to make you rich, because if they were, you'd be rich already. You've been knowing them your entire life. So stop getting mad and breaking up with your friends, losing your homies. You don't talk to your auntie, your uncle, your cousin no more, because they didn't come buy your little product from your little business. They're not your client. If you focus that energy of anger, of resentment, of frustration, of confusion because somebody ain't being loyal to you, and you focus on the people for who your business and your product is for, you'll be successful. But if you continue to put that energy into making Facebook posts about people ain't loyal and they don't want to see you win and they don't support your business, baby, you'll be out of business quicker than you can press post. So understand that your customers out there, they're waiting for you, but you've got to be centered on them. You can't be centered on the naysayers and the negativity and the people that don't believe in your vision. God gave it to you. I like to explain vision like this. If I put on my glasses, I can see clearly. My daughter also wears glasses. If she puts on my glasses that was made for my vision, she will not be able to see clearly because my prescription was made for me. She has a different prescription that's made for her and her vision that only she can see through. I have a prescription that was made for my vision that only I can see through. Now I can explain what I am seeing to somebody, and they can take that vision of what I'm explaining and they can interpret it in a way of to which where they can understand and see it, but that doesn't always mean that it's going to be clear to them. So understanding that your vision is not for everybody, your vision is for you, and you're the only one that can see it. It is up to you to be able to communicate that vision with those who it should be communicated with. You'll be in a better place. Number 8, and this is the last one for this video. If you guys want a part 2, if you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and turn on your notifications so you know when I post. Duh. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Kiera Sade like Shmoney. I help small business owners learn how to grow and monetize their social media. It's completely organic. Number 8 is successful entrepreneurs understand that laser focus out results fractured skill any day. And this is just a little rendition of what my coach always tells me. He always says fractured focus is basically a recipe for disaster. What I'm saying is that a person who is laser focused on their goals, on their schedules, on what it is that they need to be doing when they need to be doing it, a person who is laser focused on showing up, on being consistent, on bringing value, on operating in excellence is going to outresult the person who has more skill than they do, but is fractured because they're showing up here and there with the skill. They're not consistent with the skill. They're not really trying to operate in excellence with the skill. They're just kind of talented and gifted in it, but they don't have any laser focus on really honing in and expressing that skill and gift with everyone else the way that they should. There are people that are more talented than Beyonce. Dare I say that on Beyonce's good internet. But the reason why Beyonce is Beyonce and where she is because she is laser focused on her calling. She's laser focused on everything that she has to do. She's laser focused on becoming the best performer. She's laser focused on being the best singer. She is laser focused on being the best entrepreneur and business owner. She didn't let that focus, that skill get fractured the way other people, you might see somebody homeless out there on the street who can blow Beyonce out the park with their voice, but because their skill was fractured, their commitment was fractured, their consistency was fractured, they never got to pop off the way that they could have. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Your homework for today is to go through all 8 of these and see where you can shift your mindset from that of an unsuccessful entrepreneur to that of a successful entrepreneur. See where it is that you have been making these mistakes so that you can stop making them, so that you can get on the other side of your business, which is success, happiness, joy, thriving, not just surviving. And my name is Kiera Sade. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video, and I'm out.
Man, this dude, they make it.